Once there was a lion named Leo. He lived in the jungle. He was strong and brave, like all lions, but Leo was different. Leo loved to bake cakes. Every morning he wore his red apron and went to his jungle kitchen. He used bananas, honey, and coconuts to make yummy cakes. He sang while baking. Mix it well, make it sweet. Jungle cakes are fun to eat. The other animals laughed at him. "You're a lion, you should roar, not bake," said the monkeys. But Leo didn't stop. He loved baking too much. One day, Leo invited all the animals to a big cake party. He made many cakes: banana cake, honey cake, and even coconut cake. The animals tasted the cakes. "Wow," said the zebra, "this is so tasty," said the giraffe. Now all the animals loved Leo's cakes. Every week they came to eat and smile. Leo was not just the king of the jungle. He became the king of cakes too. He showed everyone that it's okay to be different and to do what makes you happy. So kids, what we learn from this story: follow your heart, it's okay to be different. Doing what you love makes you special.